Hello everyone. Today we will be looking at how to use Atlassian's Rovo to create a nice meeting note page out of a transcript note. First, we're going to insert our transcript, that in this case is a transcript that we got from Teams, but you could use any tool like Google Meets or whatever you use. We inserted this transcript, and the next step is going to chat, and our prompt will be the following. Identify discussion points, decisions, and next steps. Now this answer has been generated, and we can simply insert it into our Confluence page. To make the Confluence page even more nice looking, we can insert advanced panel boxes to give it some colors and structure. To do this, we will simply need to type a slash, and then we can insert the macro. We can now choose a title, and we will do this for all of the sections. Okay, so now we're done with that, and we can simply update the page. And we have a nice looking meeting note page now. And to quickly add here, from my experience, Rovo does a good job in identifying those three things, so discussion points, decisions, and next steps. And the main benefit of the advanced panel box is that as an administrator, you can create a template, for example, one for discussion points, and if you change that, it will show on all pages. And with that, let's go to the feature that in my eyes is one of the most useful applications of Rovo. We can go to next steps and simply highlight one of the steps, like this one for example, and click on create Jira issue with Atlassian intelligence. And this will then create a ticket that includes a summary, a description that is very detailed, and we simply need to add stuff like a due date if there is one. And this was how to create a nice looking meeting note page and create tickets for the next steps. Enjoy playing around with Rovo and Advanced Panelboxes, and see you next time.